This is My Two Cents with Charles McNamara, looking at some safety news around the world. Enjoy. Hey folks, Charlie here from New York. We have construction all over, all of the time, and this is a pretty sad story. So we'll talk a little bit about what happened at a construction site in New Jersey. It's a shame. So in this incident in 2014, a worker in their mid-50s died when a tape measurer fell from an amazing height, 50 stories up, down, and hit him. Tape measure is about 1 pound. It's pretty heavy. From 50 stories up, it's a shame. Really is a shame. It's an unfortunate accident, but sometimes accidents can be easily avoided. On construction jobs, workers are supposed to have proper training, but they're also supposed to have proper protective equipment on. So you got to have your PPE on at all times, and proper means to got to set up that safe working environment, whether it's netting or webbing to catch things that may fall out of windows or scaffolding. So proper protection and a proper safe working environment, very important, especially on construction sites. So this worker was on the ground level, went to talk to a coworker, stuck his head in a vehicle to talk to someone, obviously took the hard hat off, and the tape measure came down, bounced and hit him right square in the head. So if you look at the lessons learned, always wear your PPE, even if you're on break, if you're on meal, just taking a couple of minutes to go to the car. You never know. Things get loose. Sometimes people throw things. You never know. Stay safe, and that's my 2 cents. Also, I'd like to know if you experienced any accidents on a construction site or in general, and what do you do to fix them? Do you take care of it yourself? Do you report it? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.